Mountain, or near Lawrenceville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Sugar Hill, Suwanee, Buford, Brusselton, Dacula, Rest Haven, Buford Dam Lake Lanier Parks, and Hog Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.